Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Monero. Monero is up 10% over the last 1 week. All coins are pumping front, left, and center. Good times are slowly returning back to the altcoin market. Sentiment in the cryptocurrency market is improving. We've left periods of extreme fear. Right now, we're just seeing periods of fear. And over the next few days, we intend to see period of neutral sentiment and probably some greed returning back to the cryptocurrency market. We look at Monero's performance against the US dollar. What's the realistic price expectation for Monero in 2026? How high can Monero possibly go in 2026? Look at Monero's performance against Bitcoin, Monero's performance against Ethereum, and we'll also look at Monero's market cap, which right now sits in the billions. Monero's market cap sits around $7 billion. How high can Monero go in the coming days and the coming weeks? We'll talk about that and more in this video. Let's get down to business. Monero right now, the market cap for around $7 billion, currently trades around $375. A lot of altcoins are starting to pop, Monero included. If you look at Monero's price against the US dollar, it's struggling at its previous all-time highs. I've always found difficulties anytime Monero get above that $300 level, getting to as high as $470. But at some point in time in the future, we're going to conveniently burst above it. We have seen Monero get stuck below the $500 region in 2018, in 2021, and right now in 2026. In 2026, we saw it piercing to as high as $769, but were quickly rejected, dumping back to Goblin Town. Hopefully, the next time will be the charm. Hopefully, the next time we'll see Monero setting new all-time highs comfortably. If you look at sentiment in the cryptocurrency market, right now, a lot of market participants are still scared. Right now, the vibes is still down in the cryptocurrency market. We have the bears expecting lower prices. We have the bulls calling for the bottom, calling for us to pump to higher prices. And I believe we're going to pump to higher prices. Worst case scenario, we'll get a relief rally. Worst case scenario, we'll just see a pump for the next few weeks in the altcoin market before eventually dump to Goblin Town. But Monero is one altcoin to watch out for with a market cap of $7 billion, total supply of 18.4 million Monero tokens. Monero all-time high came in on the 14th of January 2026. That was 3 months ago. Monero traded for as high as $798. You may be wondering, why was Monero trending? What made it so important? Monero was launched in 2014 and its goal is simple: to allow transactions to take place privately and with anonymity. Even though it's commonly thought that BTC can conceal a person's identity, it's often easy to trace back to the original source because blockchains are transparent. On the other hand, Monero is designed to obscure senders and recipients alike through the use of advanced cryptography. Look at Monero's performance against the US dollar. The all-time high where we need to still rally past is going to be that $793. But in 2026, guys, if we see Monero dump to Goblin Town as some market participants are expecting, we're going to see the bullish and the bearish scenario. The bearish scenario, if we see Monero dumping to Goblin Town, like a lot of market participants are expecting, I expect it to find support at the $280 level. You look at Monero's price history, we've had major reactions at that $280 level in the past. I don't think this time is different. If most bearish scenario for Monero in 2026, we see it dump to that 280 and dollar region. For us to go to higher prices, that's what's expected. That's what the bulls want. For the bulls to get that from where Monero is currently trading, for us to crack above the previous all-time highs, that will see Monero pumping by 30%. For us to get to the current all-time highs, that will see Monero pumping by more than 100%. Remember, guys, all coins are very volatile. Volatility in the altcoin market, it's a future, it's not a bug. The reason why when this market is to make that money when the market goes up, and then our number one job is to buy as low as possible when the prices are down. The prices have been down for a while. Right now, the prices are starting to go up. Can Monero go above the $700 level? How high will it possibly go if it goes above the $700 level? Guys, let's not be shocked to see Monero at some point in time in the nearest future, maybe just maybe trading for as high as $1,000. If you use our Fibonacci retracement tool from the top that happened for Monero in 2018 to the bottom that happened during the COVID sell-off, you can see that Monero's Fibonacci retracement tool tells us that the 1.6 The 1.618 level is important. We talked about it in one previous video, and that was around the $793 level. Monero hit that perfectly. The next key levels to watch out for Monero, where we might easily face some resistance at the $1,263 level. And if we don't consolidate there, the pump continues. We can get to $1,700. And finally, where to get too risky to be buying Monero, where to be very, very smart to be selling some for some sweet profit, will be around the $2,000 level. So from where Monero is trading right now, for us to get to that $2,000 level, we need to see Monero pull up a 4,000. Sorry, we need to see Monero pull up a 432% pump to the upside. Know how volatile the altcoin market can be. Know how volatile Monero can be. You never want to say never. Things can move quickly in the altcoin market. We saw Monero entering 2026 with the bank. It was trading at $229 in August of 2025. By the time we got 2026, Monero was up 246%. And yes, a lot of times altcoins can move slowly, but when it gets moving fast, when things get moving, when the market gets bullish, don't be shocked to see those big pumps to the upside. Our upper target for Monero in 2026 is going to be the $2,000 level. Our lower target for it is going to be around the $280 region. Now let's look at Monero's performance against Bitcoin. Against Ethereum, it's been outperforming Ethereum over the last few months. We saw Monero finding the bottom against Ethereum since March of 2024. Since then, Monero is up a whooping 387% against Ethereum. I'm still expecting to continue outperforming Ethereum. I'm still expecting to see up a pump towards the upside for Monero against Ethereum. I believe as all coins are pumping, Ethereum being the king of all coins in cryptocurrency market is going to gain from those pumps. But I believe all coins like Monero are going to outperform Bitcoin in the short term. And let's look at Monero's performance against the king of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin. Against Bitcoin, similar price action for Monero against Ethereum. We've seen Monero dumps gobbling town against Bitcoin, but since March of 2024, we have seen it start pumping to the upside against Bitcoin. Against Bitcoin, Monero is up 181%. And the next few weeks, you see it outperforming Bitcoin. Right now, Monero is up 10% over the last 1 week. Bitcoin is just up around 4.3%. Ethereum is up 1.3%. So Monero is already outperforming Ethereum. I will expect it to continue outperforming Ethereum and Bitcoin in the coming days and the coming weeks. With Monero's market cap sitting at the $7 billion level, how high can the market cap go if we see the market cap getting into its full Fibonacci retracement tool? That's we use the Fib extension tool. How high can Monero go if we use that Fib extension tool from the top right here in 2018 to the bottom during the COVID sell-off? According to the Fibonacci retracement tool, you could easily see Monero's market cap break to new all-time highs, getting to as high as $33 billion. Right now, Monero's market cap sits at $7 billion. For it to get to that at $3 billion level, we're going to see Monero's market cap rally up by more than 371%. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Sentiment is improving in the cryptocurrency market right now. All coins are pumping front, left, and center, Monero included. Which altcoins are you adding to your portfolio? How high do you see Monero going in 2026? When will you be selling for some sweet profit? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.